Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Roblox UI Easy Guide. User interface is crucial for any engaging Roblox game, allowing players to navigate and understand your experience. To start building your own, first open Roblox Studio and find the Explorer panel on the right side of your screen. Locate Starter GUI within Explorer and insert a Screen GUI by hovering over Starter GUI, clicking the plus sign, and selecting Screen GUI. This Screen GUI will serve as the foundation for all the UI elements you create. Now that you have a Screen GUI, let's add some basic elements. Hover over your Screen GUI, click the plus sign, and choose Text Label. You will immediately see a white box appear in the top left corner of your game view. In the Properties window, you can change its text property to display any message you like, such as Welcome to the game. Similarly, you can insert an image label if you wish to display an image. Just remember to upload your desired image to Roblox first. Customizing the position and size of your UI is essential for a polished look. Select your text label and look at its Properties window. You will see position and size, each represented by 4 numbers. The first 2 numbers of each are scale values, which are percentages of the screen, and the last 2 are offset, which are pixel counts. Always prioritize scale values, setting offset to 0, for a responsive design that looks good on screens from a phone to a large monitor. Adjusting the anchor point property can also help with precise placement. To make your UI interactive, add a text button inside your Screen GUI. Position and size it as desired. To make it do something, insert a local script directly inside the text button. A very basic script might connect to the mouse button one-click event, printing a message like button clicked, to your output window when pressed. Remember to test your UI frequently by clicking the play button in Studio. Consider using frame elements to group related UI components, ensuring your game's interface remains organized and easy to manage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.